Hi everyone, this is Farooq Malik from Just Tech with another tech video. Today we will be talking about how you can run 4K or 8K videos on your normal MacBook or MacBook Air, which is not capable of playing such resolution. Because in my case, I'm using MacBook Air, which is only 13.3 inches, which resolution is only 1440 by 900, which is clearly not a 4K. But now you can play 4K videos on your normal MacBook or MacBook Air. For that, all you need to do is just go into Safari and open the preferences and go into the advanced menu, and you have to enable the developer mode. It shows the show develop menu in the menu bar. Make sure it's highlighted and it shows up there. When you uncheck it, it's gone, and when you check it, it's there. So just close this and go into the develop menu and look for the experimental features. Here it is, and then go into the VP9 decoder. Here it is, you have to enable this and then go back again into the same experimental features and then look for the VP9 SW decoder, which is right on top of it. You have to check this as well, and then again go into the same experimental features and look for the HDR media capability. Here it is, HDR media capabilities. You have to check this as well and close it once. Now open the Safari again, go into YouTube and play any 4K video. Let's see if we will be able to play any 4K videos. I'm sorry about my internet connection, it's not that fast. 4K video. So I know it's 4K. Let's play this video. As you can see, it's already showing 2160, which is 4K. It's taking some time to load it, but it's 4K. So by activating these VP9 decoder, VP9 SW decoder on battery, and HDR media capabilities, you have to enable these three things, and then you will be able to watch 4K or 8K videos on your normal MacBook Air, which is not capable of playing such videos. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. Until next time, take care.